Everyone, welcome to this training video for Members Connect. Alright, so it's gonna be a pretty short one, which is very easy to use. Not very short, but very straightforward. So we have here the overview where you have latest orders. You can see new members that were created on the site as well. If we should go here, go to view membership, we can easily see different members that are here for the application. If we go here and view, we should be able to view different members that are part of the system. Alright, so here we are inside the dashboard. So if I should go view members, I'm just gonna go to the Members Connect membership here. If I was to add a member, then you'll get this interface where you can put the name of the membership. This is a URL that's gonna be the login page, so it should be a non-existent page. For the template, we can choose the default. You just put the email, your name, the email you want to use, the notification each time a user buys. You're gonna get this. This email is gonna be sent out to the user automatically with their login information. You can enable admin notification as well. If you click over the mouse over, you'll get the information here um, as to what this does. You can go to the next option where you can send license if you're doing a software as well. And you can also do notification for users uh, when they reset their account information. For the payment processors, we can choose the multiple processors here to check out. PayPal standard, just click bank. When you enable it, you enter the information here that you can get from the ClickBank site. We have all these different payment processors, whichever you need to use. If you're doing JVZoo, you simply enable it to get your secret key from the JVZoo website. If you're doing Warrior, it's the same principle as well. You simply enable it here, and then you can go to different autoresponders that you can plug in to do the setup for integration with the system. If I wanted to connect my Aweber account, get response, MailChimp, Teams, where you can preload the different colors that you want for the background for the admin area. You can choose your logo, the sidebar color, the header color. We can load the preloaded settings here. Different themes. These are already pre-configured, so you don't necessarily need to set it up. You can also do free if you want to show a registration link for users to sign up for free. You can enter your sign-up code for your autoresponder if it's not listed in the list of autoresponders. The side menus, you can show various products such as show products, the license type, and the account tabs, which are preset in the members side of the plugin. You can do captchas, limit the captchas as well to prevent unauthorized usage trying to get access to the plugin. You can enable plugins as well to load on the login page. The login page box, all these are already pre-configured, so pretty much we just go ahead and leave these as is. If we want it, we can save the changes, and that's it. We're pretty much ready. We go to products. As you can see, I have the Members Connect products here. You simply click add a product. Once you click add a product, you're going to get the options here to do the product that you want. You select the member here, the product name, the URL page, descriptions. We can do product, whether it be a single download or with a page or drip feed. We can choose the date, what page you want it to be. We can add different rows as well. We can add each row. Then we say if you wanted to add say 2 more rows, you add the rows. You simply choose the page, the description available after. You can say 12 hours. Next one 24. Say 36, and it automatically you show it as locked, and when it comes show as expired, depending on how you want it to drip feed. You can put the link if you have a manual as well. You put it there. If it's not a software, you simply click no, which turns off the client data that is used when you want to enable during the licensing system that is built in. We can do one-time free subscription-based payment. We have the bundles, which you can bundle when you sell it on the front end. You can bundle other products to be shown as well. The API setting here, we can select the API. Can select based on the username, the product ID. These are the page information for the pitch page URL, the thank you page URL. We have enabled JV Zoo here. Once we enable JV Zoo, I can enter the product ID and use the IP and information here to do the setup. The same for Warrior Plus as well. Simply enter the IP and information, which allows the product um, to be created access for the user once they purchase. We can enter the HTML code as well, which automatically adds the user to our list based on this specific product. Um, that's it for the product section. If you're doing a course, we could simply add a course here, create the course name, say test one. Um, say this is a test. If you had a video URL, you could go ahead and put the video URL here, enter the content information. If we had, for example, YouTube, um, for example, if we had a video like this, we could simply do that. Enter the content below and add the course. Here we have our course. We could now then add lessons. Add a lesson to this specific course. Can name the downloads if we had a download. View the course. We could add a lesson URL, new document, and we enter the information here. This, for example, to make money with memberships. I have the video link there. Google.com for argument's sake. Add the lesson. There you go. We have the lessons added for this specific course, which we can have available within the product if we wanted to as well. Next, when the user purchases, you'll see the information here, username and passwords. You have the orders, which will show here as well. You can add an order. You got license information where you'll see the license code, domains as well that is activated on. You will see that information here. You have the reports, which allows you to get a report of the various products. You got the utilities where we can check the logs. HTTPS requests that are made from plugin with the API. We got a database where we can back up the system. We can reset the database, clean the database to make the product better. Then we have the settings, which goes over toolkits where you can set the time of the server, the currency. You can block specific IPs from working with the plugin as well.